I think I look really cute actually. And I think I'm gonna do light makeup tomorrow. I have time to pick up the camera, which is why I just wanted to make a short video for y'all, showing y'all how I style my locks. I know the video was short, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I mean, you guys could comment too. Do people feel awkward commenting on people's videos? I feel like I was never a commenter, but it wasn't purposely. I just watched the video and then leave. But you know, the support and everything really do matter. But yeah.